We continue our coronavirus coverage now from New Haven County. More than 1,000 people have tested positive for COVID-19 there. About a fourth of the cases are in the city of New Haven.
Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Carolina Cruz is live this morning from New Haven City Hall with the latest on the efforts the city's taking. They're trying to slow the spread, right, Carolina?
They are, and one of the most vulnerable populations here is people who are experiencing homelessness. So what we know is that the city is going to be shutting down its last large homeless shelter here in the city today, and they are moving all of those folks to a hotel in West Haven just so that they aren't living in close quarters. We also know that the city has been receiving a lot of complaints from residents about big box stores and a lot of mom and pop grocery stores that are not following the governor's guidelines on social distancing. Things such as capping the number of customers inside the store to 50% capacity, putting 6 feet social distancing markers on the floor, and adding plexiglass at the checkout to protect both customers and the cashiers. This weekend, the city issued a robocall reminding grocery stores of those guidelines because today the health department begins inspections to make sure that they are complying. The city will be shutting down grocery stores if the problem persists. Elliker says that as the peak number of infections nears, now is the time to hunker down.
So that we don't have a situation like we're seeing in New York where they're only days away from not having enough ventilators, where they are strained about the number of beds and healthcare staff that they have. This is a time when everyone in the public really needs to be careful and do as much as possible to reduce their interaction with other people.
There were also issues yesterday with people at East Rock Park not keeping a good social distance from one another. Mayor Elliker says that it's tough. The city is struggling to figure out what to do here because they like that people are using the park, but they obviously don't want this to spread any further. So what the city did was they shut the park down and put a chain link fence around it. For now, reporting in New Haven, I'm Carolina Cruz, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.